In this video, we're going to test a waterproof and fully submersible backpack made by Sandshark Anchors. For this test, we're going to fill the 25-liter backpack with some dry beach towels. The backpack materials and zippers seem to be similar quality as dry suits. We'll give the backpack a little taste of the water before we strap it on over our life jacket and ride away on the jet ski. After we pulled back onto dry land, we test the backpack further by submerging it fully. Now we open it and check out the beach towels that are still completely dry. As far as waterproof backpacks go, this one is top quality and perfect for any beach day on the water. Get your Sandshark waterproof backpack at sandsharkanchor.com and be sure to use our discount code. Then make sure to join our Mississippi Ski Riders Facebook group.